E-commerce store design and development. E-commerce store can potentially drive a huge amount of sales and a ton of profit for any business and is one of the most effective and scalable business models available. But in order for an e-commerce business to thrive, you need the right store design and development. The objective here is to gain your visitors' trust and to utilize a layout and design that's easy to use and highly reliable. This can make all the difference in your sales, turnover and profit and is one of the best services available for ROI. What makes great e-commerce store design? The single most important factor is reliability and trust for an e-commerce store. If you hope to encourage sales, then you need a site that reassures your customers when they're entering their cart details. If your site doesn't look perfectly professional, then they will often simply look elsewhere. At the same time, e-commerce store design needs to employ a layout that makes it as easy as possible for customers to make purchases. You need to ensure there are no barriers to sale, so that you can encourage impulse sales. The buy with one-click feature of Amazon is one of the biggest secrets to the company's considerable success. If there are too many stages involved in buying, then you will lose business. But it gets more complex than that too. The right e-commerce store design should use the correct layout and organization in such a way as to encourage more sales. You can encourage more sales of an item simply by carefully choosing which item you position it next to and what color you make your buy button. Great e-commerce store design requires an understanding of psychology then, and this is something that any development company should be able to bring to the table. E-commerce store development services. Compton Social. We offer a number of premium store development services at highly competitive rates. We can help you to build any kind of e-commerce store, whether you want to go with a well-known platform like WooCommerce or Magento, or whether you plan on building your store from scratch. We can help you to add features to your store too, whether you want to provide offers, a loyalty scheme or customization options. This sort of flexibility will provide you with more marketing opportunities and will ultimately drive sales to increase your profits. At the same time, we bring with us our considerable expertise in web design and development in order to create stores that look highly professional and beautifully designed and that will inspire absolute confidence in your customers. Our stores operating faultlessly, and this ensures that you can focus on marketing and product development without having to worry that your checkout might be losing you business.